bought it already. The winter package. Addition. Hi guys! Winwyn here. I'm sorry, it's raining so hard, so I feel like the audio won't be as good as it was, like mga previous video ko. So please bear with me. I don't have a mic with me. This painting is from Art by Life Dawn, so you have to check it. It's so nice, guys. I love the paintings there, so you have to check the Instagram account. Okay, so gusto ko lang i-share and gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa inyo because this is gonna be an unboxing of my I got my silver play button already. Thank you so much sa 100,000 plus subscribers ko for helping me get this. Thank you so much for always watching my videos and being so engaging and being so active. So I'm going to unbox this to show you guys. I'm so excited. Alam niyo, iniisip ko lang before nung nasa mga 40,000 subscribers pa lang ako. Sabi ko, oh my god, ilang years ko kaya bago makuha ito. I really wanna hang it or put it somewhere. Nakaka-happy, diba, na makita to. And meron akong 100,000 plus subscribers na ngayon who are very active in watching my videos, who are very supportive in what I do. And kahit nakikita nila na very raw yung videos ko, and it's not like produced the videos, you guys still love it and you still like and share it. So thank you so much. So I'll box this and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So actually, ang nangyari, nung dineliver to, walang tao sa bahay. Walang tao sa bahay. So, nung tumawag sa akin na nagde-deliver, sabi ko, kuya, paiwan na lang po sa labas. So, I got really scared. So, I tried to go home as fast as possible so I can get it. So, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award and inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Do you remember? Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100 and your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. I wonder kung sino yung 100,000 subscriber ko. Is there a way I could see kung sino yun? Again, thank you. Thank you so much, YouTube, for this. Guys, hear it? Thank you so much for helping me get my silver play button. I hope I get more awards like this. I hope mas marami pa mag-subscribe sa channel ko. And sana mas mag-enjoy pa kayo sa mga raw videos ko. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Ganito pala yung itsura nun. Ganito pala yung feeling pag meron. So, thank you so much, YouTube. I will put it here in the middle. And if you have suggestions kung paano ko aayusin tong room ko where I will shoot, mostly, please do suggest. And hindi ko na alam kung paano ko siya gagawin. Even if I check Pinterest or other mga images, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano siya gagawin na sobrang ganda. As a prize, as a reward for myself, since I got this silver play button already, I will also do another unboxing. And it is from Jinan! Guys, yung lagi ko ina-unbox. It is from Wab the Shop. And I ordered the winter package and now it's here. I know it's pretty late. Alam ko marami na nag-unbox ito, pero I wanna know kung sino yung nakuha ko dito. So, we wab you. I wab you to Wab the Shop. Thank you so much. Here it is, the winter package. Chirin. There you go. Winter. It's huge, guys. Look at that. This is my face, and this is the box. Amazing. Wow. Wow. So excited. Look at that. This lalagyan, pwedeng paglagyan ng laptop. You know, a 13 to 14 inches na laptop. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, let me open it. Para siyang clothy, medyo makapal. It's nice, actually. And then there are mga patches. Super nice patches. And then there's, what's this? Ano pala siya? Velcro! Velcro, guys. It's Velcro. lagi talagang may ganito with ARMY. Oh, I really feel like I'm part of their journey every time I receive packages like this, every time I order merch na ganito. So first na nakuha ko, so this one. Oh my gosh! More Velcros! Look at that! And who did I get? I got Jimin! Guys, can you see? It's Jimin. Yung photo, parang film. Oh my gosh, cute! Of course, the CD is here. Photos. Photos. RM, hello. Syempre, yung photo din nila na pwedeng ilagay sa frame. Look how cute they are, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it. And syempre, the photo book. Photo book ba? Yes, I think this is a photo book. So, let me open this one. I want to see what's inside. I'll show you guys one by one. JK. Yung kulang na lang itago niya yung face niya, pero pogi pa din siya. Okay lang. Oh, Jimin. Oh my god, Jimin. J-Hope. I love him so much. Oh my god, he's so hot, of course. World by the handsome Jin. Suga. RM. So, ang nakaka-good vibes every time you see their photos. Velcro! So, there. So, this is JK. Apparently, this is JK. I'll show you guys. May mga names eh. So, this is JK. Dito naman, this is V. I think they drew this, if I'm not mistaken, diba? And this is Jimin. Cute! This is J-Hope, Jin, Suga, and RM. Cute, cute, cute Velcro. What is this? What is this? No, meron lang ata silang letters here, if I'm not mistaken, or mga sinulat nila. And then, photos again. Look at that! Alam mo guys, kahit gaano karaming photos ang nakukuha ko, sobrang hindi ako nagsasawa. Like, if I could just place it somewhere and make a shrine, I would. And then, let me open the book and flip some pages for you guys so you can see kung ano yung laman. Mabigat, sobrang bigat. Pwede nyo siyang gawin na pang-workout nyo. Kung marami na kayong books, gawin nyo siyang pang-workout. I think it would work. Aww. I would definitely put this in the frame and put it somewhere at home. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Nakita niyo ba? Nagsha-shining, shimmering, you know, with the stars and all. So let me put that there. And the photo card I got is Chinin JK. Oh my god! I'll flip it for you guys. Flip. Can you see? I know, right? So, I'll open a page and see kung ano may kita ko. Look. So pogi. Ang saya. Alam niyo, nakaka-good vibes talaga. Sobrang nakaka-good vibes. My God, Taeyong. Ano ba? V. My God ka. So, this is like a nice addition to... Oh my God. How to be UFO. So, I'm so happy with this. It's so nice. Kasi this one also, I can use as lalagyan for my laptop. And as you can see, ito yung lalagyan ng laptop ko ngayon, which is, ang tagal na. There. This is my BT21 lalagyan ng laptop. Yes, I do have that. I'm so happy na I got this as a gift for me, as a prize, when I got my silver play button. So, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Wabda Shop. Thank you for sa lahat ng subscribers ko for helping me reach this milestone. A really cute story. So, my boyfriend recently got into, not naman got into BTS, but he really admires people na talagang super talented, diba? Super galing. And then one time, kasama ko siya, I was just watching TV, and then he was sitting on the couch. Narinig ko yung carpool karaoke. And then, sabi ko, parang may BTS ako narinig. So, nung sumilip akong ganon from the bed and then I saw sa couch, my boyfriend was watching carpool karaoke and he was laughing. And then he kept on asking me, sabi niya, love, sino tong mataas yung boses? Sino to? Ang galing niya, grabe, super galing niya. Sabi ko si Golden Boy, si JK. Sabi niya, talaga, naku, super galing niya. Tapos, he went ballistic when yung comment na Baby Mochi and Papa Mochi Hanggang ngayon, guys, ginagamit niya pa. Pag nakikita niya, like sa Butter, we streamed it together. We literally stopped. We were in the car just to watch Butter, the music video. We streamed it together. And it was so fun kasi when he saw Jimin, he kept on saying, "Oh, that's baby Mochi and all. Where's Papa Mochi?" He's so adorable. When I saw him, sabi ko, oh my God. Hindi ko siya pinilit manood, wala talaga. Pero I think he keeps on searching na rin. Hindi naman searching, pag may lumalabas siguro sa feed niya about this, he's gonna ask me, did you see this na? May bagong song, bagong version, bagong balita. So, it's nice din na yung boyfriend ko is natutuwa sa kanila. He said he really appreciates true talent. He wasn't into K-pop naman talaga, pero this time daw kasi super naaliw siya kasi ang galing sumayaw, super ganda ng boses, and he's so naaliw na aliw ako. So he got, I don't know if the right term got into it, but he likes the music, and in the car, minsan sabi niya, let's play some BTS, or what's your favorite song in BTS? So it's nice na my partner, I found a partner na very supportive and actually wants to know the names of the guys, diba? So I'm so happy with that. Actually, yung nakikita nyo dito, because this wall is bare. So basically very new. And I was thinking of putting a wallpaper sa wall ko. Pero para he surprised me with something. It's so cute actually. I'll show it to you guys pag okay na. I'll show it to you pag naayos ko na yung wall ko. Kaya medyo bare pa siya. Medyo wala pa talagang laman. So, but yes, again, thank you so much for giving me this award. And hindi ko magagawa yun kung hindi dahil sa mga subscribers ko. So, thank you so much. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, Wap the Shop, for my prize ngayon. Di ba? Ang galing. It's silver play button and the winter package. I will try to be more consistent. I will try to put up more videos for you guys. Minsan hindi ako makaka-upload because I've been busy doing other stuff. But thank you so much. Sana tuloy-tuloy kayong manood, sana tuloy-tuloy kayong maging active. And again, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm so happy. If you have any comments on how I can fix my wall here, please, I want you guys to be part of this also. Kung paano ko ayusin yung wall ko dito. And thank you. Thank you. Jorge.